And right now it sounds awesome. Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Afro Beats, and in this video I'm going to show you how I've created this really awesome Afro Beat in FL Studio. So this is the whole project, but first I'm going to show you how I've created all the elements. So I've copied all the elements to this channel rack. So first I've added some swing to the beat. So I've added 32% of swing and the tempo is 102. So first I'm going to start off with the chord switch I've made. So this is the first chord progression. And I've used the Clean Mark 5 from Analog Lab 5, this one. Then I've added this Ghost preset, also from Analog Lab 5, this one. Just a small detail. After that, I've added an ample guitar, so the semi-hollow one, the default preset. And just following the same chord progression. And as you can see, I've played around with the velocity of the notes, so it fits perfect together with the chord progressions. And then I've added this guitar, so this Dream Come True, also from the ample guitar. And I think this melody is just really awesome and unique. So I've just added an EQ on this one and some reverb, so I've used the Valhalla Vintage Verb. On this chord progression I've just used an EQ and also some reverb. And on the Mark 5 I've used this filter from Fruity and also some reverb. And on the second melody, or on the second chord progression, it's just empty. So it's basically just really simple, not too much. Then I'm going to guide you through the drums. So first I've added this. So first is rim shot. There is an empty spot right here, but I think that goes perfect together with the 808, which I will show you later. Then I've added this head. So I played around with the velocity to add some groove to this one. Just the same pattern as the rim shot. Then I'm adding some heads. Which I think is also really awesome. And then another rim shot, this one. The kick. Then another sample right here. Just slightly in the background. So right here I've added this conga, this one. And then the 808. And that's why I think it goes perfect together with the rim shot right here. I've also added some slide notes right here, and you can do this by selecting this one right here, slide, and just dragging a note. So it will pitch to that specific key. So if I turn it up like this. So I think when it pitches down one octave, it sounds really awesome. So this one is a G sharp and it's pitching down to G sharp. And right here I've added another slide note. And in the main arrangement I've added this shaker loop right here. Just a really commonly used sample. So right now I'm going to guide you through the arrangement. So the beat is starting off like this. And how you can create something like this is just really simple. So in this case, I'm going to remove this part of the beat. Just select the slice mode right here and just use the first bar. So just slice the first bar. Just select it like this and just copy it 4 times. Like this. And now it sounds like this. And how to fix this right here, you just remove this one right here, just drag it like this, and right now it sounds awesome. So just really simple, and I think a really great addition to the beat. So right here I've added some effects. So these ones, so a drum fill, another tom, just a drop FX, an uprising effect, so some noise like this, another effect right here, this vocal effect, so when enabling all the elements it sounds like this. So right here, the same effects are coming in again. So I'm cutting out the melody. I stop right here. And right here I'm basically doing the same trick with the drums, which I did in the first bar of the beat. And right here the beat is basically repeating. So right here I've created a couple more stops. So I've got the drums right here. Right here the beat is basically repeating again. Right here I've cut out all the drums. So just the chord progression is playing. The drums and the shaker loop. And this is just the outro bar of the beat. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this beat. If you really enjoyed this beat, make sure to check it out on my second channel. The link is in the description. And I hope to see you guys in one of my next tutorials.